So this, what I'm showing now, is an example of how a polar bioanalysis workflow is designed to capture real-time deviations during an analytical run. The user assigns the required method ID and procedure ID, and is then presented with the appropriate steps for performing the assay. These steps are the electronic version of what was once the paper-based work instruction, or SOP. The assignment of material and reagents together with equipment is easily done by way of a barcode scanner, and the resulting information is then retrieved from the inventory and ensures no manual retrieval of information is required. If the user deviates from a step in the procedure, for example, by cutting short the required incubation time, as you can see here, the system will raise this deviation to alert the user. The user will then have to add a comment to address the issue or the deviation that's been used and raised. Such deviations can be picked up in real time and resolved by the user. In general, when deviations such as expired material or uncalibrated equipment can occur, it's vital that this is picked up during any analytical process in the lab. Calibrators and QC samples can be created using built-in templates and referenced within a run experiment. Using templates that simplify data capture throughout the experiment mitigates the risk of missing and incomplete data, reducing errors, promoting efficiency and reproducibility, and driving equality. As part of the review and approval cycle, the QA/QC team are able to generate an exception report, which highlights the deviations raised and directs the user to each study where the deviations were generated. The QA/QC team are able to set up a timeline for dates and specific users, and the information pulled in from the system will then highlight the actual deviations, so the QA/QC team can then review and confirm and approve the process. Polar for bioanalysis allows compliance to happen in the background. Audit trails and timestamps are recorded through the workflows, and there's no need to rely on the scientists to remember to record steps manually.